Nin's 10 Commandments of Success. Ladies and gentlemen, you can have anything that you ever wanted in life. And I mean anything. But can you follow these 10 commandments in order to get what you want? I guarantee that 99% of you watching this video won't. But for the 1% of you who will follow these 10 commandments, you'll get everything you ever wanted and more. Commandment number 1, decide. To get what you want, you have to understand what it is that you actually want. I ask a lot of people where they see themselves in 2 years' time, 5 years' time. They don't have a clue. You need to have goals. You need to decide what it is that you want and how long it's going to take to get it. You can't have success if you don't know what success is to you. Commandment number 2, pain is necessary. Every successful person was once a failure. Not some, not most. Every successful person was once a failure. Pain is a necessary part of life. Without pain, we would never grow, we'd never learn, we'd never struggle in the face of adversity. Welcome your pain because it's a gift. Use the pain in order to drive you to where you want and what you want to be. Commandment number 3, never accept the limitations of other people. There are people out there who want nothing more than to destroy everyone else's hopes and dreams. You'll come across negative people, critics, naysayers. That includes members of your own family who put their negative thoughts and feelings upon you. It's not possible. Don't even try. Give up before you even give it a shot. Never accept the limitations of other people. Decide for yourself whether or not you can or can't do something. Get out there and at least give it a try. Commandment number 4, belief. It's no good saying it out loud, telling everyone who cares to listen, writing it on social media. If you don't actually believe the words that are coming out of your mouth, you really have to believe that you will become successful and that it will come to you. If you're saying it without believing it, you're wasting your breath and you're no different to the other arrogant sods that are doing the same. Believe and you will achieve. Commandment number 5, visualize. You need to be able to see it in your mind before you create it in physical reality. You need to be able to see what colour car you want, what sort of house you want to live in, what your dream job is, how you're going to make your millions. You need to visualize yourself doing these things. Program your mind to get what you want and watch as it happens. Commandment number 6, sacrifice. To get what you want, you're going to have to sacrifice things. Some more than others. How badly do you want success? Are you willing to give up drinking with your friends, spending your money on unnecessary things? Are you willing to work whilst everyone else is sleeping or out partying? That's the sort of sacrifice that you're going to have to make in order to get the things that you want in life. Commandment number 7, discipline. The other commandments don't work if you don't have discipline. Can you do this on a consistent basis, whether you feel like it or not? To do the things that you don't want to do, but you have to do them anyway. That's discipline. The things that failures don't like to do are the same things that successful people don't like to do either, but they do it. And if you can do that, success will come to you quicker than you think. Commandment number 8, focus. It's easy to take your eye off the goal. It's easy to become distracted. Never lose focus. Always keep in your mind what the goal is, what the end game is. Because when you're driving, if you take your eyes off the road, you will crash. And believe it or not, life is exactly the same. Commandment number 9, consistency. Can you do all of this every day? Can you remain focused and disciplined every day? Can you make sacrifices every day? Can you work towards your goals every day? That's what it takes, and that's what you'll need to do in order to achieve the things that you want. You have to work on it every day. No questions. Commandment number 10, obsession. The champions of the world are obsessed with whatever it is that they want in life. They'll stop at nothing to get it, and you'll need the same mentality. Be obsessed with achieving whatever it is that you want. Being average won't do you any good here. You need to do it, and you need to do it better than everyone else. Those that focus on becoming the best generally become the best. Follow these 10 commandments and watch as you achieve everything that you ever want in life. If you found this video at all helpful, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here, follow me on social media there, and on a closing note guys, let me know your success stories in the comment section below.